I was saying about how you can find out. I was talking about how you can basically measure the amount of elements in a group or members in a group. Um, it's pretty simple. First of all, usually those are the question they gave you is that. Let me write with that. They gave you is this. So for example, the better bracket. So they say X is part of X. Wait. It's a member of a set of, let's say, N. Okay. And it's between 3 and X and let's say 7. This is what the question they gave you. And they say how many members it has. Basically, in this case, we got so basically 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, sorry. Wait, that was wrong. Don't count that. Let me just write, make a Venn diagram. So usually they say A equals 2. So this is A. So we got 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So this contains a five member set. Now, how do we find out how many subsets it has? Now, in order to find the amount of subsets, you need to have, so there's, the only formula is this, 2 to the power of x, which means, which x stands for, let me do it or, so it stands for members. So in this case, we got 2 to the power of x, which equals to 5, which equals to 2 to the power of 5. It's, I think it's 60. No, it's not 64. No, it's 52. I think. Yeah, it's 52. Wait, no, it's 32. Sorry. It's 32. So 2 to the power of 5 equals to 32. Sorry about that. That was a it's basically right now 10 well, actually 10 minutes to 11, and I'm basically not in the mood of teaching, but it is what it is, or it's canon event. So the amount of member subsets that this group has is a 32 subset. Now, how do we say 32? Okay, first of all, we have all of this together. All right, so this is 1. Okay, and let me make it with a. So this is 1 member. The whole thing equals to 1, and you also have a null. I did my research. It's called a null. Now I think the cross it's on the other side, but I don't care right now. So null is also part of this, and this whole thing is part of itself. And you have basically any group by alone, so that's already 5. With the null, it's already 6, and then you got two grouped or 2 sets. And so, for example, for my better explanation, you got 35, and then you got 34, and then you got 36, and you got 37, or the other way around, 65, 67, 64, 63, and so on. And then we got 3 lettered groups. So we got 354, 367, 376. No, that doesn't count. 375, 374, 364, and then you get a four numbered. So you get 3, 4, 5, 6, 3, 7, 4, 3, 7, 5, 4, and so on, and then at the end you get the whole thing, which all the combinations combined, you get 32 combinations. Okay, so yeah, that's on the parts that I needed to say about the sets. And the first part was at the beginning of the session when I described how you uh, basically write a algebraic way of the